Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about Java references. Okay, few points about Java references. A Java reference variable can be of only one type, and once declared, that type can never be changed. Although the object it references can change. That means the variables can be of only one type. So I have this variable. We are talking about the shape variable. Shape variable can be of only one type, and once declared, that type can never be changed. For example, I have one more class called car. Okay. I have one more class called car. It says cannot convert to car to shape. That's what this point talks about. So once it is declared, it can never change. But whereas these objects can be changed, okay, but it can never assign to a different object, because shape is an object. Okay, so this can never be changed. So let's read this again. A reference variable can be of only one type, that is shape, and once declared, that type can never be changed. The reference is a variable so that it can reassign to other objects. Second point here. So if you see here, shape is a base class and circle is a subclass and square is also a subclass because they are extending from shape. So what second point talks about is it can be reassigned to any other objects. So shape I am taking, already I have assigned, I am reassigning here. That means this object, this shape variable refers, it will have the address of this object, first step. Then again I am reassigning. Then what happens is this variable will have the address of this circle. Then you can ask, what happened to this address? This is lost. This will become unreachable object. That's where garbage collection comes into picture, and it will reclaim the memory. Okay, so this is called reassigning. It will be reassigned. So this actually lost the address of this object. Now currently this is holding this address of this object. Okay, a reference variable determines the methods that can be invoked on the objects. Very important. And one more thing is, unless the reference is declared as final. So if you mark this as final here, okay, what happens? Let's see. See, it says if you mark this as final, this variable as final, you can never reassign it. This will give an error. See, the final local variable shape cannot be assigned. It must be blank or okay. So since it has marked as final, it can never be reassigned. So our third point is the reference variable types determines the methods that can be invoked on them. So this is very important. Here I have marked as shape, circle and new circle. Okay, if you go to the circle method, we have two methods, draw and my circle method. Here I am having class name shape, circle, new circle. The point talks about is a variable's type. This is variable's type. This determines what method can be invoked. So let's see what are the methods we can invoke. You might think that it will also have my circle method. Not possible, because it will have only draw method. If you go to the shape class, you have only draw method. Okay, though the variable refers to the circle object, the method that is invoked is shape. Okay, so the point here is the variable's type determines the methods that can be invoked on the object. So not the object that we are pushing, but the variable has a object class name called circle. Okay, based on this left hand side we'll be having the methods. You might think why we are not able to have this method in this object, because we can't have that, because whatever whatever class name placed in the left hand side will determine which method I can call. So forget about this right hand side. Okay, only the left hand side matters. A reference variable can refer to any object of the same type declared as a reference. That means shape variable, okay, we are able to hold the address of new circle because it's a subclass, so it can hold subclass or the base class. A reference variable can be declared as a class type or an interface type. If the variable is declared as interface type, it can reference to any of the class that implements a interface. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.